So the full CPQ demo, it starts with the configurator, which is here. You have the capacity to have as many attributes as you want here with a lot of different options. There is a limit to this, but it's pretty high. So first of all, I'm gonna make some selections and just show you how it narrowed down the options that you select from there on. And as you make these selections, the images for that product are going to change. And now the images also get added if you have set it up in a way that if I'm making the selection here, and then if I go to the other part of the product with another part number, and when I make a selection, rather than every image changing, it's going to just add a few images if that is the logic that you use with your products. Okay, so once I'm done with the configuration, I have this summary. This kind of serves as a preview bill of materials, not the whole thing, but a preview of it. And then from here on, you add this configuration to your cart. In your cart, you have all of these items listed. Just gonna move myself like this. At the checkout screen, if you have any price overrides, I'm gonna see that. And I'm gonna I can check out with this. So the whole CPQ flow gets completed on platform without having to juggle between different tools. The next thing I'm going to show you is the back end for the configurator, which is an important part of this. So let me open this up, configured products, and here you see a bunch of different products. Let's go with this one that I showed you. Now, it had 5 different product parts. Each of them are separate products. And so what you can do here is to set up all of the attributes and the values that go with it. As you saw on the front end, there was lighting module design attribute. There was geometry, finish type, illumination style. And then what you're going to do next is to actually define the SKUs that you sell. As you can imagine, with these values, the possible combination are going to be more than what you actually sell. So what you're going to do is you can put SKU numbers here and make the selections that go with it, plus upload the images that for it. And so what our software is going to do is going to take that, and engine is going to process all of this and make that logic visible on the front end on the product display page. As I said, it has support for 50 different attributes with 500 different values. And then the combinations can be as much as 2,000. If there are more than 2,000, we can split it up. So the front end will remain the same. There will be no difference for you or for the customer. It's just going to be handled differently. So once you've configured all of this, you just save it and it loads up on the front end. So on the front end, one important thing to note is that all of the data is loaded when the page is loaded. So there are no API calls. There's absolutely zero delay, 0 millisecond delay on when they make these selections. If the image is supposed to change, no API calls, nothing. Everything is loaded here, so it's going to be very robust, very fast. So this is it. This is the whole CPQ flow. If you want any more information, just reach out. If you want a more detailed demo, we can do that for you. If you want us to show your own products on this configurator on how they will look, we can do that for you as well. So it's going to be a personalized demo just for you guys. Just let us know. Thank you.